everyone, welcome back to class. So we are doing force, work and energy, and in this chapter today we will learn about a fossil fuels. So what are the fossil fuels and from where we get the fossil fuels? Fuels, you know that what? Petroleum, all these are known as a fuels. Okay. So fossil fuel, from where does fossil fuels we get this fossil fuels? So when fuels are obtained, from where we obtain? Fuels are obtained from dead plants and animal. From dead plants and animal, when they get buried millions of years ago under the earth, are called fossil fuels. So when animals, plants die and they buried inside the earth, and it takes millions of years to make a fossil fuels. Understood? So how fossil fuels we get that? When dead plants and animal die, what happens? They buried inside the earth, and it takes millions of years. To make a fossil fuels. Clear it is to you all how we get the fossil fuels. So here it is said that fossil fuels are obtained by dead remains of plant and animal. By dead remains of plant and animal that get buried millions of years ago under earth are called fossil fuels. That is known as what? That is known as fossil fuels. So example of fossil fuels are coal, yes, petroleum, petroleum are burned, and what does they do? They release energy. Understood what happened here? Here, when coal and petroleum, the example is coal, petroleum, etc. And this coal and petroleum, when we burn it, what does they do? They release energy. To us. And these forms or fuels are very difficult to replace. Okay, and it takes millions of years to form. And this fuels takes millions of years to form. These are called non-renewable source of energy. What is this? This type of non-renewable source of energy. Non-renewable source of energy. Okay. So what happened? In our daily life, we are using coal and petroleum, and it takes millions of years to prepare. When millions of years it buries inside the earth, then we get the fossil fuels. So it is a non-renewable energy. What is this? This is a non-renewable energy, and this petroleum and coal are burned. They release what? They release to us? They release energy. and in our daily life we need all this thing. Yes, coal, petroleum, and they pollute the air also. They pollute the air also, these fossil fuels. To conserve these fossil fuels, we can use alternative way. Another fuels, we can use alternative source of energy. With this, to conserve fossil fuel using a renewable source of energy. So what you can use, all like a renewable source of energy, you can use wind energy, water energy and solar energy. So you can use wind energy, water energy and solar energy. And these all are what? Renewable source of energy. These all are renewable source of energy. Understood? So fossil fuels, it is clear to you all about the fossil fuels. What you have learned about the fossil fuels, that we obtain fossil fuels from dead remaining of plant and animal, and that get buried inside the earth, and it takes millions of years to make a fossil fuels. Millions of years, and that we call a fossil fuels. And this is this coal and petroleum. What does they release energy? What does they do? They give us energy. Yes, coal you burn, you get the energy. Petroleum also give energy. So these all are the non-renewable source of energy. Once you use, again you can't use that one. That means this much coal you have used, that is vanished, non-renewable source of energy. So we are consuming all this thing, using all this thing. One day it will come that this fossil fuel, it will over from our earth. So what you have to do, we have to conserve it. So less we have to use, and it also pollute our air also. So all, after seeing all this, what we have to do, we have to conserve our fossil fuels. We have to conserve our fossil fuels. Why? Because it takes millions of years. It takes millions of years to ready. So for that we can use alternative way. So to conserve it, alternative way you can use. So we can use wind energy, we can use water energy, we can use solar energy. And these all are which type of energy? These all are renewable source of energy. Once it will complete, again we can get renewable. Again we can use it. Renewable, we renew it. It is a renewable source of energy. Understood? It is clear to you all about the fossil fuels. Today this much only. Next day again I will continue with other topic. Okay, thank you to everyone.